Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 10, and our prompts are something in shades of purple. I've got these postage stamps, and these are also postage stamps is our bonus. We've got block print or all caps. I've got this charmer. A drawing or photo of a clock tower. I've got this. Something sharp. I've got this. I believe it's a scabbard, if I'm not mistaken, which I could be mistaken. And a zoo animal, and I've got this. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. We are getting rain. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP 10. It's okay, kid. I guess thunder's making him nervous. Alright, let's see how we're going to do this. Figure out a way. Now, I want to ground him, so I did cut out some leaves and things just to kind of add to it. I'm just going to do that. And I do have, let's see, bring this down. Like that. And I think I'll add this. I'll be right back. Okay, we'll see how long that lasts. Alright, let's see here. I thought I could tuck in a stamp there. We can put charmer right there. And we can have a few stamps there. Oh, I gotta get this in there. Let's see here. Maybe something like that. Let's see, let me swap this out. And then we can just add in just a few leaves or things for good measure to kind of bring it all together. I didn't cut out the centers, but I don't think I'm going to use that one anyway. I don't think there's enough room. Maybe now like that. So let's get to putting this down. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. I hope your week will be great this week. Our weather's been pretty nice. We've been in the 60s and 70s. It's been really warm. But we are supposed to have some bad weather, and I do think it's supposed to rain a good bit this next week. It is March, so kind of hold your breath during March because of tornadoes in this part. All right, let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and glue this one down. And then I'm going to tuck him in. Let's bring this up a little bit if I can. Carefully. let me think that through. I think I want that underneath. Oh, I got a mess. I don't want it on the outside. No, I want it the other way. Now I lay it down and it goes perfect. Now I can't figure out what I've done. Maybe it is the other way. I don't think it is though. Because this is kind of grounded. Now this came together so easily before. And I had a great suggestion of taking a picture. The problem is I film with my phone, so I can't get the picture. I'm just gonna go ahead and tack these down. At least there'll be one piece and I can deal with it. Okay, then I can add I'll just cut off his tail a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and glue the top part down. This image came out of Collage Soup. Okay. All right. And I have this tucked in. And that. So let me make sure I have it right side. Still reading the Mary Burton book, and it's good. I'm over halfway through with it. I haven't read much. Never seems to be enough time. All right. Okay. Now I want a charmer. That. Add a leaf there. Down, or do I want it like that? I may want it like that. And let's see here. I want to put this down if I can get the leaf situated. It's barely hanging on. I've got to find my tweezers. I've lost them. I think it falls down into the container. Flip over. It just decided to come off. That's all right. And oops. We're just gonna get it down. I had a time finding images for everything. I don't know why it was. I had printed that out, and then I ended up having to print it again smaller because the first one was really big. This is at 50%. All right. Go ahead and get this down. And I want to clip that off. I couldn't pull those stamps off before. Now they just want to come off. All right, now let me get my Stipple to go around my monkey. Get the ear. This past week, I've been having a tough time getting up in the mornings. Feeling good. I felt great. Had headaches this week. But getting up's been really hard for some reason. I usually get up early, and I relatively get up early. But considering what all I have to do, the way my husband works, I would try to get up early so I could get a lot done, and then when he gets off, it's sort of like that's our nighttime. But I've been having to lay back down, and I usually for sure got up when my boys got up, but I have not even. I've had to lay down. I've been having, like I said, lots of headaches, and it hits me. So I've been doing more of my videos at night, because I don't have enough time during the day. And it just got me all thrown off. There we go. I like how he pops out just a little bit. There. And I think I'm going to do black splatters this time. If I can get it out. generally like to use watercolors to do my splatters. It just works the best for me. And they're pretty much already out. Let's see here. Alright. But these don't do as good as my gold. There we go. I just want to... Did I glue that? No, I did not. I wonder how many of you are talking to me. I feel like I'm making a mess of this one. Hit the edges here. There we go. Let's see. I do need to clip off that. And let's see what we got. We've got something in shades of purple. I've got these postage stamps. Block print or all caps. I've got Charmer, because he's a charmer. A drawing or photo of a clock tower. I've got this. Something sharp. I've got this. A zoo animal. And the bonus is my postage stamps. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, I love you. Take care. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP10 to see what everyone else has made. And check out Margarete Miller's channel. So until next time, love y'all. Bye.